AOM is excited to announce our latest product offering called Morpheus. This is a CGH data processing software that AOM provides with our holograms. Now, you're already familiar with AOM's computer-generated holograms to test complex optical surfaces, and of course, our unique platforms and metrology stages. However, with Morpheus, you can now take your measurement that you capture with the CGH and quickly and accurately process the data. Let's give you an example. What we have here is a CGH testing an off-axis parabola, a very common test. However, when we look at the actual test setup in our metrology software, we notice a few things. We've done a good job of aligning the CGH to the test part, but perhaps it's not perfect alignment. Additionally, we notice that this circular aperture off-axis parabola in fact appears elliptical. And this is just due to inherent mapping distortion in the test geometry. So let's bring Morpheus into the game. First, we're just going to click measure. We'll collect our data and we mark our fiducials. And then we can open Morpheus and we load in our measurement file, which is a digital copy of this hologram, and our measured data. With one click, Morpheus will automatically process our data. The first step will be substrate correction, and this performs a significant amount of correction, including transmitter wavefront error calibration. The second step is mapping correction, and this transforms our data from this measured data to the actual test optic domain, transforming the points to a uniform grid of points on our test optic. We also notice that the aperture is now the accurate circular aperture of the off-axis parabola. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, we also have fitting and optionally removing misalignment errors. Now, I said that we did a good job of aligning this, but perhaps we're off slightly, maybe even only a micron. What Morpheus does is it uniquely fits the misalignment modes that are present between the CGH and the test part, and if you would like, it removes them. Now, we see before fitting these modes that we had about 400 nanometers RMS of error, but after correction, that goes down to 200 nanometers RMS of error. A significant improvement, and this reflects the true surface figure error for this part. Last but not least, Morpheus also includes a report feature so that you can document exactly what occurred when you processed your data for historical records, and of course the uncertainty report that's included with that. If you would like to learn more or obtain a copy of Morpheus for yourself, please contact AOM.